Hi Turbo Boy. Today we are going to find the volume of liquid in a rectangular container. Before doing that, let us recall what we have learned about capacity and volume. Turbo Boy, can you tell me what do the words volume and capacity mean?
I can't quite differentiate the two words.
Alright, let me explain them to you. Capacity of a container is the amount it can hold. Litre and milliliter are two standard units of capacity. For example, here is a beaker. This beaker can hold 1 liter of water. So the capacity for the beaker is 1 liter.
What about volume?
The volume of an object is the amount of space it occupies. Cubic centimetre and cubic metre are two standard units of volume. For example, here is a cubic tank of edge 10 centimeters. The volume of the tank is equal to 10 times 10 times 10 equals 1000 cubic centimetre. Now, can you pour the water in the beaker into this tank?
Okay, teacher.
Tell me, what is the volume of water in this tank?
The volume of the water is the amount of space it occupies. As the water fully occupies the whole tank, the volume of the water in this tank is actually the volume of the tank, which is 1000 cubic centimeters. Am I right, teacher?
Yes, Turbo Boy.
Teacher, is 1 liter equal to 1000 cubic centimeters?
Good observation, Turbo Boy. But how do you know that?
It was mentioned that a beaker held 1 liter of water. The water was then poured into the tank. The tank, which has a volume of 1000 cubic centimeter, was filled to the brim. Thus, 1 liter of water must be equal to 1000 cubic centimeters of water.
Well said, Turbo Boy. As 1 liter is also equal to 1000 milliliters, we can say 1 liter is equal to 1000 cubic centimeters, or 1000 milliliters.
As 1000 cubic centimeter is 1000 milliliters, 1 cubic centimeter is 1 milliliter, teacher?
Absolutely right. Look at this tank. It is fully filled with water. Turbo Boy, tell me what is the volume of water in this tank?
The volume of the water is actually the volume of the tank. The volume of the tank is 20 centimeters times 30 centimeters times 10 centimeters, which is 6000 cubic centimeters. Thus, the volume of the water is 6000 cubic centimeters.
How many liters of water is that?
6000 cubic centimeters is 6 liters. There are 6 liters of water.
Very good. Want to try another question?
Okay, no problem.
A rectangular tank measures 40 centimeters by 20 centimeters by 20 centimeters. Find its volume.
The volume of the tank equals to 40 times 20 times 20, which is equals to 16,000 cubic centimeters.
If the tank is filled with water to a depth of 9 centimeters, find the volume of water in liters and milliliters.
As the water level is 9 centimeters, the volume of the water is 40 times 20 times 9, which is equals to 7,200 cubic centimeters. As 1 liter is 1000 cubic centimeters, 7,200 cubic centimeters is 7 liters and 200 cubic centimeters. Since 1 cubic centimeter is 1 milliliter, 200 cubic centimeters is 200 milliliters. Thus, the volume of the water is 7 liters, 200 milliliters.
Well done, Turbo Boy. Can you remember what is 1 liter equal to?
1 liter equals 1000 milliliters, or 1 liter equals to 1000 cubic centimeters.
Very good. Let's try this one out. Can you convert 500 milliliter into cubic centimeter?
Since 1 milliliter equals 1 cubic centimeter, 500 milliliters is equal to 500 cubic centimeters.
Excellent! How many cubic centimeter is 3 liter and 50 milliliters?
3 liters equals to 3000 cubic centimeters and 50 milliliters equals to 50 cubic centimeters. 3000 plus 50 equals 3050. Thus, 3 liters 50 milliliters is 3050 cubic centimeters.
Wow, Turbo Boy, you learn very fast. Let's go on to the activity.
Today I recognize that 1 liter equals 1000 cubic centimeters and is equal to 1000 milliliters. I also know that the volume of water which filled the cuboid is actually the volume of a cuboid. If the tank is filled with water to a certain depth, example 9 centimeters, the volume of water in the tank is 40 times 20 times 9, which is 7200 cubic centimeters. Now, I'm able to convert liters into cubic centimeters and vice versa. For example, in converting 2 liters 500 milliliters into cubic centimeters, I first convert 2 liters into 2000 cubic centimeters. Then, I convert 500 milliliters into 500 cubic centimeters. I add up 2000 cubic centimeters and 500 cubic centimeters to get 2500 cubic centimeters. Thus, 2 liters 500 milliliters is equal to 2500 cubic centimeters.
Very good, Turbo Boy. See you at the next lesson.